Hello guys, welcome to Beestack AI. Today I will show you how you can monetize your YouTube channel, your brand new YouTube channel, and you can earn money from it. Even if your channel is new and you don't have much subscribers like me, you can. So without wasting time, let me show you. Monetizing YouTube with YouTube Partner Program. You need 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch time. But for the new channels, it's very hard to get 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch time. So today I will show you how you can monetize your channel without these. Okay, there are some brands which offer paid promotions for their website and for their business. You can earn money from them. So without wasting time, let us go to the Gologin website. This is the Gologin website. As you can see here, they have mentioned just mention @gologin in video and earn money. So they are paying $7 per video and $10 for each 1000 views you get on the video, and monthly you can post 4 videos. So for getting started, let's click on the start here. The Gologin Plus Video Content Creators Collaboration Program. I will put the link for this promotion page in the description. The essential materials: please integrate Gologin naturally and include Gologin, the best browser for multi-accounting, in your video, not in the video name. So you have to use this line in your video, okay, and include gologin.com homepage screenshot in your content. So this is the Gologin homepage screenshot. Okay, I have already downloaded the screenshot, as you can see here. Now this screenshot is in my video, and also you can see the Gologin, the best browser for multi-accounting. I have also mentioned this. I have edited and mentioned this line to get qualified for the promotion. Okay, and minimize. Okay, then you have to create the video naturally. Okay, and they don't accept shorts, as you can read here. Okay, so now let's go to the promotion page. Once your video is completed, you have uploaded it to YouTube, you can click here submit video for payment, the page where we will submit our posted video. You have to mention your email, your full name, your YouTube video URL. Okay, and then is this payment for a new video or an additional payment for views? If it's for additional views, please specify the number of 1000 views. Okay, once you have received the payment for the video, okay, and then after that, if you gain 1000 views on any video, you can again fill this form and you can mention, suppose you got 2000 views, you can mention here 2000, and then you can mention your payment method. I'll prefer PayPal. Okay, and then for PayPal you have to mention your email here, your PayPal email here. Okay, and then you have to click on submit. It's easy, and let's scroll down and see what we can do. Gologin is the #1 anti-detect browser for managing multiple accounts. Okay, and as you can see here, you can get paid in 3 easy steps. Record the video. In your video, mention the Gologin is the best browser for multi-accounting, and you have to include the homepage screenshot of the in your content, and create your own unique videos. No need to make shorts, Gologin only content. Okay, then you have to mention @gologin, and then mention Gologin, add this link to your video description. Okay, and then get money. You can receive your money via cryptocurrency, bank account, or PayPal. As you can see here, they pay $7 for each video. You can upload this video on YouTube, on TikTok, on Facebook, and on Instagram. For each platform you will get $7. Suppose you make one video, you upload on YouTube, you will get $7. On TikTok you will get $7. So if you upload on all these 4 platforms, you will get 7 into 4 is $28 per video. $10 for each 1000 views, and this is only for YouTube. You can get $10 for 1000 views only for the YouTube video, not for the TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. And As you can scroll down, you can see here how do you pay. We offer payments via cryptocurrency. How many videos can I make? You can make 1 unique videos per week. So in a month you can make 4 videos, as I told you. And which platforms can I use? You can use these platforms, as I told you. You can use YouTube, TikTok, Facebook and Instagram. However, please note that the $10 is option is available exclusively for YouTube. Yes. Okay, so thanks for watching the video. If you have any questions, just comment below in the comment section. Thank you. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video. Bye.